Welcome everyone. Today in this video we are going to see about a website which offering 500 plus certificate courses. The website which offering the course it is cursa.app. If you search in Google as CURSA, you can able to find the first search result itself as cursa.app. Once you select this one, a new tab will open which contains the home page of the website. So in the home page of the website, you can able to see the category of the course, the last courses that is which has been uploaded latestly, and the best free courses based upon the ratings, and the bottom you can able to see the reviews and how much courses they are offering. They are offering plus 700 plus free courses, 300 plus categories, 101 million plus downloads, and 50,000 certificate issued, and courses in 3 different languages. If you come here, you can able to see in the categories other also. If you click on the other category, a new tab will open which contains the information about the other courses. The other category courses includes magic and hypnosis, photography, YouTuber, drawing and painting, aesthetics, games, massage, astrology, sports, astronomy, political, theatre and robotics. Once and the main categories will be of basic studies, information technology, languages, career opportunities, management and business, health, instrument and vocals. So the total categories here 7, and in other subcategories there are 13. The total sum it is around 20 courses are available. Now I will explain you how to get the certificate. Once you click on here, I have already signed in. If you want to sign in here, it will ask us sign in or sign up for free. You have to click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you will get a login page which contains the information about email, password. You can able to sign in with your Google account by clicking on signed in with Google. Once you click on sign in with Google, a new pop-up will open which contains the Google account. You can able to click the Google account and you can able to log in. Once you log in, a page will appear which contains the information about your name, the email address and the password which is required. You can able to give the password which you want, and you can able to sign in. Once you sign in, the page will open again which contains the information, the same homepage information along with your name. What is the name you have given when you are logging in? So you have to be very careful about giving your name because the same name will be displayed in the certificate. So once you click on, if you want, you can able to select. I have selected a course photography, subcategory photography, and I open. Here you can able to see 3 courses are available. You can able to select any courses. The course page will appear. You can able to click on start course. The course will start up. Here there is no assessment exam for getting the certificate. Just you can able to keep on completing the videos. Once you complete the video, you will get the certificate like this. So here, this is the first course means once you one video is completing, the next video it will come automatically, resume automatically. Once the video has been completed automatically, the next video will run like this. So you have to complete every video. Once all the videos has completed, you will get the certificate option. You can able to give the certification. So here I have clicked on my certificate in order to view the certificate which I got already. So here you can able to see the certificate. Once you complete the course, you will be getting like this. You can able to click send to mail, so you will get the certificate in your mail also. Once you complete the course, you will get mail from them showing that hi Manoj, hi, your name, congratulations on completing your course, and you can able to see you will get a certificate. The certificate will look like this, which contains information about which course, what subject, and what's your name, and how much duration it has taken you to complete the course, and what month and what year you have completed the course. So you can able to add this one in your profile. If you found any new course which is useful for you and it is not available in this website, you can able to inform them by seeing at the last. You can able to see here, found a good course on YouTube and want to see it in our project, click here to indicate new course. You can able to, if you see any new course in YouTube and if you found it has to be added here, you can able to inform them, they will add that course in this website. So you can able to complete that course along with the certificate of completion from this website onwards. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Please don't forget to click on this bell icon for further updates. Thank you.